From shoots to reels to managing a home, some people make it look effortless. Today I'm with Khushbu, a model, a content creator, and a mom who's balancing multiple roles both on camera and off camera. Khushbu, very warm welcome here on the podcast today.
Thank you so
Thank you for
much.
taking out time and coming over. Could you just briefly tell about yourself, what you do, and yeah, for work?
So I'm Khushbu Rana. I'm a fashion model and an actor from past 5 years. I'm based in Noida, and along with the modeling, I have recently started the content creation as well.
Okay, nice, lovely. So, Khushbu, I wanted to ask you something in general. Everything, what it looks is actually effortless, or is it all managed chaos?
Actually, I'll tell you one thing. Everything which is seen online seems effortless, but trust me, it is not. So, if I'm doing 10 seconds of a video shoot, it
Yeah.
takes hours. And for example, if I'm doing a commercial ad shoot, which is for like good 35 seconds only, but it takes whole 12 hours of my day. So, there are a lot of retakes
Okay.
and all these things. So, it takes time basically. So it is not this effortless as it's seen online in just few seconds of videos.
So, what's actually what people don't get to see behind the shoot? Like what we see it online is completely different.
Yes.
So, what really happens behind?
There are a lot of retakes, small or big, changes, corrections. So all these things happens behind the scene, and basically there are a lot of hard work. 12 hours, maybe at times 10 hours, 9 hours. We are not eating anything because we are so much leaned into the work that we are so focused कि अब नहीं खाने का भी पता लगता. So that's how it works. So all these things comes under behind the scenes basically.
Oh my God. So, in a way, so perfect shot comes with how many not so perfect ones?
Lot of retakes. It takes lot of. I must say, there's like one perfect shot comes after many retakes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So much of hard work, which because we see the final shot and the final
results,
picture or the
yes.
final video,
Yes,
right? And
yes,
and we
absolutely.
don't realize what goes behind the scene,
Exactly.
right? So much of
Absolutely.
sweat and I don't know, so much of energy.
Yeah.
Wow. So how did modeling start for you? Was it something planned or it just something happened?
It's a quite touchy question actually. So I'll tell you one thing. Modeling was my childhood dream. Childhood, like I was like not even 5-6 years when I wanted to become a model or an actor. But back then parents इतना support नहीं करते थे इस line को especially. So and then after getting married, kids responsibilities and everything. So
Yes.
those are like great interest and small opportunities.
Okay.
So I joined the modeling agency basically.
Okay.
There I started.
So what age did you really start, if you don't mind me asking?
32.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So, viewers, you need to make a point here that age is just a number. I mean,
It is.
yeah, there's nothing holding you up. If you want to start something
Yeah.
not so early in your life, you can always start later also,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
as
And other
Khushbu
than
said.
thing, as I said, I joined a modeling agency. There I worked like unpaid shoots I had done like 5 or 6 to maintain my portfolio. And now I guess this is the right time to tell you your shoot, like the Stakari shoot was my first paid shoot.
Wow.
Yes.
And I think this was 3 years ago, I believe, when I
Yes,
was actually
yes, that was my
started
paid
with my brand.
shoot, and then I realized how much I love being in front of camera, and
Oh, wow.
that's how journey started. Basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's interesting to know. And it's really heart touching for me as well because
Yeah.
with my brand, you know, you could
Yes.
feel that essence or,
Yes.
you know, like, the sky is the limit
That was
for
my
you.
first paid shoot, and I just remember how happy I was.
And I was equally
Yes,
happy
yes.
as well that the jewelry was shot on you. And for my website, I think
Yes.
everybody would be seeing that on website. Your
Yeah.
face is completely there.
Yes.
Oh, really? That's really nice. So what was your first shoot like? Was it like exciting or intimidating?
My very first shoot was, I was little nervous, of course. I didn't know if I'm doing it right or not, but I just showed up, and that's what I believe in. I always believe in showing up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's quite bold as well of you.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So, at what stage did you feel content creation came into the picture for you?
That came later, basically, when I realized I just don't want to be seen. I want to be heard as well, and the confidence came up. Like, कि अब लगा कि हाँ, okay, I can do this as well. So why not? Let's explore this field as well.
Okay, so did it happen like one day you just made a reel, or did you capture something on your
No,
social media?
basically, it
Like,
happens because I love myself. I just
Oh, wow.
love shooting myself. So eventually, it happened.
okay, so it became like a journey.
Yes. Flawless and flowing.
So how do you balance being in front of the camera and being present at home? Because being a mom as well.
Yeah.
So how do you balance both?
I guess I when I am at shoot, I give my 1000% there. When I am at home with my daughter, I give my 1000% there. That's how I balance. And I'll not say these are two different part of my lives.
Yeah.
I feel there is one life and two different roles for me. So
Agree.
I'm just being present, whatever I'm doing. Even if I'm at home, I'm with my child, I'm 1000% present there with
So
her.
do you set your boundaries basically in a way that you're not compromising each
Yeah.
one of it?
Yes,
I
yes,
believe so.
Yes, I have done
Set
that.
your
I have done
boundaries.
that. Yeah,
Ki when
I know at what point of time what is important. So I
Balancing
try
it.
to give my best to both.
Oh, that's lovely, and people should understand that with your work and your career, you can actually balance, your home, your child, your family life. Because if you set right boundaries,
Yeah.
you can not interdepend and mix both.
Yes.
And balance
So
it out.
I try that only. I don't want to mix both, but I want to be fair to both.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay, Khushbu, let's test your styling instincts.
Okay.
A quick challenge for you.
Sure.
You could see so many pieces of jewelry here. Would
They are just amazing.
Oh, thank you. They're all handcrafted by us. Few are my designs as well.
Alright.
I just try something or the other. So, if I have to ask you, if you have to pick any one, for a shoot, which one would you think?
I guess I'll go for this because, as I said, I go bold. Basically.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. And for a casual day, like a mom day,
I'll prefer this one.
that's one of the favorites, and
Yes.
it's on jute if you can see.
Yes, I really like this piece.
It's liked by a lot of people, and I'm
Yeah.
always in continuous production of that particular piece.
Okay.
And anyone for an event, maybe? Pick anyone for an event.
If I have to pick, there are a lot of pieces which I can pick, but as you said, I have to pick one, so I'll go for this one.
Oh, that's one of my very subtle, elegant, and
Yes. Wearing some sari and then
Yeah.
putting it, so it's.
or even on a beige color, it will just
Yes,
highlight very nicely
yes.
as a contrast. So let's style you with one of them. Oh, that's going very well with your black. Let's see how is this looking. Oh, wow, it's going perfectly well with your.
Yeah,
It's
is
giving that bold look which you like to go for
bold
shoots and
look, yeah,
everything.
for
Yeah,
the shoots, right?
So Dastakari started this initiative of podcasts. It's giving a platform for those women entrepreneurs where they can come, share their knowledge, their emotional story, or awareness, and they would want the viewers and listeners to know more in depth about the guest's career. So Dastakari is giving that platform, and I'm really happy to have you today at our podcast. And I'm sure the listeners and viewers must have benefited a lot, that how one can actually balance these multiple roles, so beautifully. So I hope you enjoyed the session, the listeners of
Absolutely,
today
I really
with Khushbu.
enjoyed. It's my complete pleasure to be a part of Dastakari podcast. I really love your collection, and I'm honored to be a part.
Thank you. It's my honor as well, and I would like to present you the
Oh my
gift
God,
as well.
Thank you so much.
Style for a shoot or real life, what changes?
So basically, for the shoot, I go bold, glamorous, and for the real life, a casual day, I prefer something which is comfortable, subtle and comfortable.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So, can styling actually change how confident you feel throughout the day?
Yes, 100%. I personally believe this. It's wearing something good is like completely change the shift of your energy basically. So I completely believe it. जैसे आप बाहर से पहन रहे हो वैसा ही आप अंदर feel करते हो. That is my personal
Okay.
thing. Yeah. But I feel everybody agrees to it. Whatever you are wearing, it actually, shift your entire energy. So you started feeling confident. You starting feeling really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your good to go when you want to feel put together very quickly?
Well fitted, clean clothes and comfortable ones, because I'm a very comfortable person when I'm at home or it's a casual day. I love
Yeah.
wearing something which is comfortable
More
to my
relaxing,
body.
yeah.
More relaxing, yeah.
It's
yeah.
because most of your other days are always
Maybe,
dressing
yes,
up and
yes,
everything. So
yes,
you
yes.
want to just
So at the
unwind
casual days,
yourself.
I want something which is really clean, well fitted, and comfortable at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. Because in your profession, you're dressing up most of
Yeah.
the time of the day, right? So you
Yes,
want to
yes,
just unwind yourself
yes, yes.
with the relaxed
Absolutely,
clothing.
absolutely.
So Khushbu, what's the hardest part of managing all three roles?
Yeah, okay. So basically, I'll say hardest part is like switching the roles basically from mom to model to a content creator at the same hour. I hope you can understand. But like I am doing something, I'm at home, I'm working, I am presentable as a mother, and then
Right.
I have to head back to the shoot and shift of mindset. That is little not difficult but challengeable job for me.
So has it ever happened like that you are in the middle of a shoot and not there has been an emergency, but there has been a strong reason for you to just leave that moment and to be there at home with your
I
child?
try not to do all this, because, as I said, wherever I'm present 1000%. When I'm at work, I'm at work. So luckily अभी तक ऐसा कभी हुआ
हुआ नहीं है
नहीं कि
मौका,
मुझे ऐसे
by
rush
God's
करना
grace.
पड़े, of course.
Right.
So I manage things basically.
Because you make sure that
I make sure when I'm at shoot, there's somebody to take care of my child.
completely that you are not
Yes.
been like stopped or
Yes.
intimidated
Yes, yes.
there. Oh, that's
true.
wonderful.
Yeah.
So have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to do like everything, like
Yes, I guess काफी बार होता है ये, काफी बार होता है. It's because a question about yourself. Are you enough? Are you doing good to this thing? Are you giving best to your daughter or your home? Or
not really
maybe
like self doubts? No, not self doubt. No,
Not self doubt, but
Really?
there's always some question that keeps coming. Am I
Haunting
doing
you.
Yeah, yeah. So that is what happens. Lot of times, lot of time. But then again, it's all mindset.
So what's something about this journey, the work you're doing,
Yeah.
which people are not aware about or they
Yeah.
don't know about?
Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of things, the emotional side of this journey, which people don't know basically. I'll tell you one thing, people see just the, good expression, good pictures, wow,
Yeah.
glam life.
Yeah.
But the emotional side behind this, at times what happens, one day I feel top of the world, but
Yeah.
other day I feel very low.
Yeah. And it's human, right? It's very human nature.
Yeah. So that is one side which people doesn't know. They just see the glam and
Yeah, because-
good pictures and expressions.
True, because the
Yeah.
day you would be like little low or in a little sinking mood, and then
Yeah.
still in front of the camera you'll have to be like smiling
yes,
and
yes. There's a lot of time. I mean, सबकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होता है कभी ना कभी. Maybe किसी दिन मैं बहुत low हूँ, but then I have to show up.
right. True,
Yeah,
understand.
So then I have to do, because it's work.
Yeah, your profession is that.
Yes, and then you have to see, you have to look glamorous as well. You have to give expressions as well.
And that's really incredible to do it. It's the
Yeah.
toughest thing to do,
That is the toughest part of this.
The emotional side, what you're saying.
Yeah.
So, what keeps you going on those days where you are actually feeling very low or tired? What keeps you get going?
My mindset basically. I have trained myself like this to show up. That is my
Wow.
superpower, I would say. मैं जब से इस line
Or
में
your
आई
strength
हूँ,
maybe.
Maybe strength, more than strength, I would say my mindset. मेरी mindset से ही मेरी strength है. मैंने अपने आप को train इस तरीके से किया हुआ है कि कुछ भी होता है ना, I just say myself, खुशबू, you have to show up. You have to show
up.
Yes.
No matter what.
No matter what, you have to show up.
So, your like inner voice basically,
My
I would
inner
say.
voice, my mindset, it's very strong.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
That's not a lot of people have this quality, anyways. I mean, you're blessed with it, and
Yeah.
that's your biggest strength. Okay, Khushbu, let's start with the most interesting part of the podcast.
Okay.
And let's add the fun element. Are you ready for the rapid fire?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you, ramp or reel?
Ramp.
Okay.
I love ramp walks.
Yeah, I've
I
seen
just
on your
love- I
Instagram
just
as well.
love.
And I get so inspired,
Yes,
you know.
yes. That is something which you'll say right now, Khushbu, just do a ramp walk, and I'll do it. I just love it.
Wow. So shoot day or a home day?
Shoot day. Shoot day I would prefer. I love my work. I just love my work.
You'll be bored at home completely.
Not bored, but when you love your work.
It's passion,
So
yeah.
it's passion basically.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I love
So heels or sneakers?
heels. I'm a heel person. I feel so much confident when I wear heels.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So mom mode or work mode? Which one is harder?
Which one is harder?
Yeah.
Of course, mom mode, because there is no off days.
I
You
know.
have to be 24/7 present for your.
Yeah. Being a Sunday as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
as I said, there is no off days.
True, true. So one thing you always carry?
My confidence.
Oh,
Yeah.
brilliant.
That is what I carry always.
I think viewers have to listen to this that see she carries confidence that it's just not the word. I mean it has a lot of power. The word has a lot of power in itself. So one needs to be confident in whatever you're doing.
That's
So stay confident. So Khushbu, what would you like to say to those women who likes to pause themselves after becoming a mom?
okay. So basically, I would like to tell all the moms that you don't really need to pause. There must be a slight, slow down of the moment, but you don't really need to pause. It's not an end. Basically, it's a start. You can present for your family and for your work at the same time. So I have learned this from my journey that you are not less anymore. Maybe that's a small pause जिसके बाद you can come up even stronger, which I believe, which I have learned from my own journey, that there was a small pause, but I showed up even more stronger after being a mom.
Very well said. I think I totally agree with
Yeah,
Khushbu.
yeah.
Being a mum myself, so I can put myself in the same shoes as what
so
you rightly
mostly
said.
mothers think कि अभी तो खत्म हो गया हमारा, अब now it's
They are
totally
life.
upon the kids, अब तो बस बच्चे के revolve होना है. I'm not saying नहीं होना चाहिए, but there should be a balance.
Balance, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
very rightly. And it's not a very tough thing to
Yes,
do.
yes.
I think, that clarity needs to be there in one's head. Ki work-wise, what I want to do, how, and then the balance will come
I
automatically.
truly feel after becoming a mother, you become more stronger.
True, I
Because
agree.
you can see from my journey after
Yes.
my childbirth, I gained some guts and started a modeling career, which is
So
rare.
you want to
I
become a
guess.
role model for your own
Yes,
child
yes,
first,
yes.
right?
So she's the inspiration.
Yeah.
I want to be strong. I want to do everything because I want to be an inspiration for my.
I think
daughter.
Khushbu even vice versa because you have a daughter as well. I have got 2 daughters as well.
Okay.
I think उनके लिए और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है because when they see their mother figure,
Yes, absolutely.
parents both for that matter, not I'm only biased with mother. I once they see the parent, right, especially the mother figure, taking so seriously their career, they aspire the same thing. So in
Yes,
future,
absolutely.
they also like to work hard. They want to achieve their dreams and goals. And I see with my daughters as well. They give me, oh, mama, you work hard. It's okay. Sometimes you're not able to give spine quality time with us. But we want to become like you one day, make use of every minute of given by God, in our life.
So at times my daughter also asked me, I used to run an event company for good 12 years. Then after being an entrepreneur, I completely changed my line from that to a model. So
Yeah.
my daughter keeps asking me, Mama, after my birth, कि आपने काम छोड़ दिया था क्या? So I said, no, beta, it's just a pause. It's just a
Yeah.
small pause.
Pause.
And see, look at me now. And
Exactly.
everybody, my family members, everyone's are like so much, motivational towards me and like, yes, you can do it. And there's a lot of support, a family support as well. I would thank my family for that. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes, and Khushbu is a very humble person. I have some, I think, emotional connection with her because for me, Dastakari started along with Khushbu as well as my model.
Yeah.
And
And that
I
is
hope
close
it,
to my heart as well
Yes.
because that was my first paid shoot.
yeah, for you first paid shoot, but for me it was like first model, and she was very generous, very humble, didn't show at all any tantrums or anything like what I'd always heard with models. So yes, she was a wonderful person, and I'm absolutely had a great time
Same
having
here,
you
likewise,
today.
likewise.
Connecting after so many years. You don't have to build one version of yourself. You can build your own balance. Thank you, Khushbu, for having yourself here at our podcast today. I absolutely, had a great time. Can't thank you enough for taking out your valuable time because I know you're a busy person, backwards and forwards. And yes, and sharing all your knowledge or your insights about your modeling, about content creation, which I think every second person in today's world wants to do or pursue. So thank you so very much for sharing all your knowledge.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to be a part. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Khushbu, and hope you have the very good rest of the day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.